What's good? My name is Genesis Elijah. I'm a rapper, artist, producer. Today I'm going to show you how I use auto-tune to fix my hooks and get them sounding just the way I want them to sound. Okay, so I've got a song. The beat's pretty much done. The verses been recorded, they're pretty much done. All I need to do is record the hook and get it sounding how I want it to sound. So let's go ahead and record that. All right, so let's get the first layer recorded. One of these days, we'll live like they do with them movie screens. We'll get all those things we worked for, you'll see. Just hold on, I'll give you all your dreams. One of these days. All right, that's cool. So we'll go to the next one. And this is gonna be pretty much the same. One of these days, we'll live like they do with their movie screens. We'll get all those things we worked for, you'll see. Just hold on, I'll give you all your dreams. One of these days. This third one's gonna be kind of like a higher layer, just to kind of give it a bit more texture. And I might do a little harmony at the end, or maybe do like a slightly alternative key at the end, just to kind of switch it up. One of these days, we'll live like they do in them movie screens. We'll get all those things we work for, you'll see. Just hold on, I'll give you all your dreams. One of these days. Okay, that'll do for that. Like with the backing one, it doesn't have to be perfect. It's not going to be that high in the mix anyway, and auto-tune's about to do its magic anyway. Okay, cool. So now we've got our three layers. Let's get to work. This is when the magic happens. So before you really even do anything with this software, auto-tune does a lot of work for you. So if I just play it back here. One of these days, we'll live like they do with them movie screens. We'll get all those things we worked for, you'll see. Just hold on, I'll give you all your dreams. One of these days. So it's already showing me like what keys I was singing in, and I can actually see from what it's showing me that I was hitting a lot of keys I weren't supposed to hit. So pretty much all the black notes, I weren't supposed to be hitting them. So then what we can do first of all is we can eliminate those. One of these days. That can go, that can go, that can go. Just be on the safe side. Cool, so I'm removing those notes from my singing, and it already sounds better than it did before. So what we want to do now is, there's a certain sound I'm trying to get, right? So the retune speed, which is now at 20, I need to push that all the way up, and you'll hear the difference straight away. So I'll push that, I'll actually no, all the way down. So one of these days, we'll live like they do with them movie screens. We'll get all those things we worked for, you'll see. Just hold on, I'll give you all your dreams. One of these days. So already you can hear the difference. So there's other things you can do as well. You can mess about with the vibrato. You can humanize it, flex tune as well, which obviously allows you to sound more realistic. I don't want that, man. I want that real classic auto-tune sound. So we've done the first layer. Let's work on the second one. One of these days, we'll live like they do with their movie screens. We'll get all those things we worked for, you'll see. Just hold on, I'll give you all your dreams. One of these days. Boom. So let's do the last one, the high one. The one I have the most problems with, because obviously it's out of my vocal range. So I'm really straining my voice. But like I said, this is only going to be kind of in the background.
We're going to add some other effects to it as well. The main thing we really want is, as long as it's kind of there, it sits there right, we've got the tone, and autotune's going to help us do that. Let's add the magic.
One of these days, we'll live like they do in the movie screens. We'll get all those feels we work for, you'll see. Just hold on, I'll give you all your dreams. One of these days.
And that's it, man. That's the sound I want. So now, when we put all those together,
one of these days, we'll live like they do in the movie screens. We'll get all those things we work for, you'll see. Just hold on, I'll give you all your dreams. One of these days.
sounds infinitely better. And that's it, man. That's how I use autotune to make my hooks. And just get the sound I'm looking for, and just add that extra professional element to my music and to my production.
Peace. One of these days, we'll live like they do in their movie screens. We'll get all those things we worked for, you'll see. Just hold on, I'll give you all your dreams.
Yeah.
One of these days.
I was a prick from the start, dealing with things that I couldn't really grasp. And I would always ask you for more, and you'd always give me more than I'd ask. But I'd throw it back in your face, then apologise, then say it's all in the past. Trying to give you my life, and at the same time my life's falling apart. But all in the dark will come to the light. You feel it inside when something's just right, and we come too far to just chuck it in right. And if I'm alive, you're the love of my life. Say mums, I took my mother's advice. Whatever she's worth to you, double the price. Cause no one else stuck through the trouble in time. So now when I rise, it's just us on the flight. It was a comedy, cause we could barely afford economy. You wanted another holiday, are you mad in this economy?